Welcome to part 2 of the Kids Can Do Secchi Tube video series. This video will explain what materials you will need and demonstrate how to build the Secchi Tube. We will also show you how easy it is for students to use their homemade device to collect water clarity data. As we previously discussed in part 1 of this 2-part video series, a Secchi Tube is a simple device that you can easily make from low-cost items purchased at your local hardware store, or from parts scavenged from around the home or classroom. Building and using a Secchi Tube to monitor the water clarity in a stream or river near you can make a great science project. You will need the following items to make your Secchi Tube. However, you don't need to copy all this information down right now. A link to full instructions with a supply list and tips and tricks for assembly is provided at the end of this video. The items that you will see us using to build the Secchi Tube in this video include a clear fluorescent light bulb protector, a 48-inch by 1/4-inch oak dowel rod, a number 9 rubber stopper, a piece of white plastic, a flat head thumbtack, and a black waterproof marker. You might find other colors useful, but are optional. Now we're ready to build a Secchi Tube together.
Step 1. Use the narrow end of your number 9 stopper to trace a circle on a piece of white plastic and cut out the circle. The back of a white plastic yogurt or sour cream container lid can work as well for your plastic, as long as any of the printing on the top of the lid doesn't show through. Step 2. Draw an X on the circle and use the black waterproof marker to color opposite quarters of the X to get the proper Secchi pattern. Step 3. Carefully push the thumbtack through the center of the X so that the pointed end of the thumbtack shows through on the side of the Secchi pattern. You might want to use hot glue or other waterproof glue to make sure that the thumbtack is firmly affixed to the plastic. Step 4. Using gentle pressure to be sure not to snap the dowel rod, press the tack into the end of the dowel rod. Note, the Secchi pattern side should face the dowel rod so that you can see it when you are looking down the rod into the tube. You can use some extra glue to further secure the dowel rod to the tack and the plastic disc. Step 5. Put the stopper into one end of the tube. A number 9 stopper should fit snugly without going all the way into the tube. Be careful to secure the stopper with a tight fit without pushing too far and cracking the plastic of the tube. Step 6. Mark a measuring gauge on the outside of your tube. Use a waterproof marker to create a mark for every centimeter. You might like to number every 10 centimeters for ease of judging distance when you take clarity measurements. That's it! Place your dowel with the Secchi pattern disc into your tube and you are ready to take some measurements at your local stream or river.
Thanks for joining us for this Kids Can Do Make Your Own Secchi Tube video series. We hope you will build your own device and use it to monitor water clarity in a river or stream near you. For more information, a supply list, detailed instructions, and tips and tricks on how to build your tube, please visit our website. Thanks for joining us. See you next time.